Good day everyone, mga gwapo and gwapa! Welcome to my channel. In this video, skip po muna tayo guys for the tips and tricks regarding my Poland application journey. But for today's video, I'm going to share to you how to set an appointment online in getting your passport. Okay? So, nowadays guys, napakadali na pong kumuha ng passport. For this video pala guys, I'm going to share to you is para po sa mga first time na kukuha ng passport na hindi pa po alam ang mga dapat gawin or kung papaano ang gagawin through online. Okay? So, why? Because nowadays, guys, kahit napakadali na pong kumuha ng passport, is meron pa din pong nai-scam or naloloko. So, isa na po yung friend ko doon, guys. Late na po niya na ikwento sa akin na dahil nga po sa busy ng kanyang work schedule is wala na po siyang time mag-appointment through online ng kanyang sarili. So, kumuha po siya ng nag-a-assist ng mga passport or yung tinatawag nating fixer at doon po sila nag-usap through messenger at the end of the story guys is, ayun nga, naloko siya, kinuha lang po yung pera sa kanya. But nung nalaman niya na wala talagang nakaset na appointment sa kanya is doon niya napagtanto na naloko nga siya guys at simula nun hindi na siya sinisin nung kanyang kausap. So if ever po na may mga kakilala kayo na interested na kumuha ng passport, please don't hesitate to share my video guys regarding in this vlog para po makaspread tayo ng awareness and to bring out the information. Okay? So without further ado, let's start. So, let's start the tutorial guys. Punta po muna tayo sa Google and then itype po natin passport.gov.ph. Click the link and then lalabas na po ang website ni DFA. So, dito guys, i-click po natin yung schedule an appointment. Alright? So, dito sa pinakababa, may maliit na box. So, i-click din po natin yan. And then, click natin Start Individual Appointment. So, lalabas na po guys ang ganitong klaseng form. And all we have to do is to fill out lahat ng mga necessary information na kailangan niya guys. Alright? Then, pipili tayo dito guys kung saan po tayo nearest na location allocated na kukuha ng passport. Okay? So, dito guys, pinili ko po si DFA South which is sa Festival Mall. So, take note guys, nakadeclare na rin po ang specific niyang address. So, i-click natin itong maliit na box and then next po tayo. So, as you can observe, lumabas po ang calendar ni DFA at mapapansin yung fully booked na po ang schedule from Feb hanggang March 2025. Okay, so pag ganun guys, pili po tayo ng ibang outlet ni DFA. So, kailangan po tayong mamili kung saan merong available na slot for this month or upcoming month which is yung March. Okay, so choose po natin itong arrow sa baba. And then, lalabas na po dyan lahat ng outlet ni DFA. Okay? So, i-try po nating piliin itong sa DFA NCR East which is sa Mandaluyong City. So, ayan, may nakita po tayong available slot for March 2025 which is yung 11 at 13. So, mapapansin nyo yun guys dahil naka-green color po siya. Okay? So, click natin tong 11. So, as you can observe, fully booked po ang slot for 11. So, baka merong nag-appointment agad guys, kaya na fully booked na siya. So, for the 13, ayun, meron pong available na dalawang slot from 10 to 11 a.m. and then click po natin yung I'm not a robot and then i-click po natin yung kanyang hinihingi na CAPTCHA na images. Okay? Then after that, i-click po natin ang verify. Then click po natin yung next button. At ito po ang lalabas na form. So, i-fill in natin lahat ng mga necessary information needed. Okay? After that, click the next button and then pili po tayo kung anong klaseng application type ng passport, okay? Then fill in all the necessary information needed. After that, click the next button again. And then dito guys, makikita po natin ang ganitong form at i-fill out lang din po ulit natin ang lahat ng mga information na kailangan. Okay? Then click again the next button and lalabas po ang ganitong klaseng form. Ito po guys this is to double check if tama po yung lahat ng mga information na inilagay po ninyo. Alright? And then click po natin itong I'm not a robot and then lalabas po ang images na CAPTCHA. So, i-check lang po natin ang kanyang kakailanganin na CAPTCHA. Okay, so after that guys, i-click po natin yung verify. And then, don't forget to click the small box and then click po natin yung confirm. So dito guys, lalabas na po ang type of payment at processing type. So dito mapapansin nyo pong may regular processing at special processing. And then dito sa pinakababa, pipili po kayo dyan kung saan nyo po preferred na bayaran ang passport online appointment natin. Okay? So pinili ko po itong A payment which is yung pay via Maya. And then Click ko po yung regular processing at dito guys, choice nyo guys kung ipipick up nyo po or ipapadala mismo sa bahay nyo ang passport nyo, okay? After nyo po makapagbayad, may magno-notif po sa inyo guys na ganitong email once na confirmed na po ang inyong appointment slot for getting your passport. So take note guys, hindi na po kayo magbabayad doon sa DFA na pupuntahan nyo guys, okay? Dahil nagbayad na po kayo online, alright? Then for the list of requirements, ilalagay ko po sa description box ang link ni DFA, okay? And that's it for this video guys. Hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I uploaded my new videos. This is Inday Guapa, always saying if you have a dream, there to make it happen. Bye!
Thank you.